2019 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.